Alright, here we are at Utah School of Guitar Making. Bill is putting the soundboard on his Dreadnought, Spruce Brazilian Rosewood Dreadnought. Note on the LMI molds, I've added what I call hold downs, and these are great for getting good pressure on the block, both blocks, and they also are great to hold the soundboard or back in position while you mark the braces. So you simply just use the tubing that holds the mold together and run, in this case, a 5/16 bolt up through, and then it has a bolt on the underside to set how hard the pressure is on the tail block or heel block. So anyway, he's just wrapping this, getting it put on, doing a great job. Beautiful guitar. Anyway, so if you have an LMI mold, take advantage of these crazy PVC tubes they hold them together with by running a bolt through and creating a hold down. And the beauty of it is you turn it the other way and it instantly releases. So they come right off. If I turn it the opposite direction, it's out of the way. Alright, thank you, and if you need help with anything related to guitar making or want to build a guitar, contact us at Utah School of Guitar Making at gmail.com. Thanks.